So you're talking about a journey where there is no facilities. Maybe in Somalia. But in this country, for example, they have facilities. Wherever you go, there is a service station. But I tell the person who's a traveler, and I said that number of times, you need to take the traveling tools with you. One of them is that where to know where the Qibla is, because you don't have masajid, where you're going to go. So the Qibla, direction. Number two, you need to have as well your maybe praying mat, because you don't know where you're going to be praying. Number three, you're going to have somehow water, because you end up maybe in a place where they don't have water. But it's not like, as I said, some of our countries, they don't have service station like here. Here, everywhere you go. But it is, when you are a traveler, it's different from a person who travels on and off. But you are traveling all the time, keep that in your car. So we got compass for the Qibla, wudu for the thing, and also for the prayer mat, because sometimes you may pray something which is not really clean.